Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we're here at Hurricane Harbor over in New Jersey, Jackson, New Jersey. It's basically the Great Adventure one here. And I want to do a quick little spotlight of Discovery Bay, which is over here. When you get in, you make a right and it takes you to Discovery Bay. And this is a pretty nice splash pad that I saw here. So let me brighten up a little bit here. So Discovery Bay, there's their logo and stuff like that. And as soon as you come in there, you have a Dippin' Dots because you always got to have a Dippin' Dots, right? So there's the Dippin' Dots. But when you come over here, they've got a couple things here. So you actually have a body slide here, which is going, but I haven't seen anybody going yet, which is kind of nice right here. Basically, you just go up there to the top there and you slide right down here into a 3-foot pond. And then over here, you got a whole splash pad area with cargo nets and stuff, which is nice. Now that is a bucket up there, but that is one of the slowest buckets I've ever seen in my life. And here it's kind of neat. Water's pooling over there and you got those little water aspects there, but here you got so many different water features there. And you actually got, you can see up there by the bucket, they have a spinning wheel, and the spinning wheel actually clicks. Makes a little like, almost like choo-choo train line there, but this is all cargo nets here with water shooting everywhere. And then over here on this section here, where the lifeguards perch, you got a whole splash zone area too, which is kind of nice. So, plenty of lifeguards. Now I'm here on a Wednesday before Labor Day, so it's a little bit slower crowd-wise, but all in all, this is a very picturesque water feature area here. You got the little splash puddles here, you got that, and hopefully one of these days that bucket, I was here doing an explore. There's actually two buckets, there's one over there too. But in both cases, the buckets take forever to go. But this is a nice little feature right here, where the water fills up and dumps on people and stuff like that. You got the splash thing there, you got the windmill over there, and we're going to walk to the other side and show you that too. But here it's very hard to actually stay dry over here at the this Discovery Bay area here. But one of these days, these buckets will go. That is my goal for this spotlight. It might be a 4-hour spotlight, but I will get these buckets. But here is the water wheel. So they have one over there that wasn't really going, but this one over here is going good. Also, this is basically a big pool right here. It goes all the way up to 3 feet 6 inches. So you can actually dunk yourself in there and all that kind of stuff, which is also nice. And then over here you got all the different chairs. So we got this function here. I am determined to get these buckets. You think I figure the small bucket would actually go by now. Actually, small bucket's getting ready to go right now, so let's go. And there's a guy walking with his kid. He just missed it. So that was a small bucket aspect here. And here's a view of everything there. But I really think that big bucket is almost like a 5-10 minute cycle. It is amazing how long it takes for that bucket to go. But this is a good vantage point for it. So. And it looks like it's starting to tip a little bit. So the neat thing about that bucket was when I watched it last time, it actually just went slightly. It didn't really go fully. It didn't dump everything out. It basically dumped half of it. But while we wait for that bucket to go, there's the second part of Discovery Bay over here, which is also very private actually. There's not many people in this section here, but these are where the mushrooms are and all that kind of stuff there. It's a nice little wading pool. And then we come up this side. Here's the front part of it, and it just got a lot brighter. But over here you got, that's where the one bucket is, and here's the main bucket. But yet again, this is all cargo nets, and over on that back end over there, there is a slide. It's hard to see it from here, but there is a slide back there that shoots out. So all in all, this is really a nice little splash pad. You can tell it's one of the older splash pads. We're doing another spotlight on the other one they have. Oh, you actually shoot guns there too. That's kind of nice. So I'm waiting. It looks like it's going. Here is the bucket. So once again, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge here at Discovery Bay at Hurricane Harbor, New Jersey.